Masyadong mapayapa ang buhay ko sa loob ng 3 taon. Sa loob ng 3 taon na yun ay pinilit kong maging maayos. Ngunit, paano kung makita ko siya muli? What will I do if I will see her again? What will I do if I will see her again after 3 years? After 3 fucking years.
Hi! Hi! What are your back? Yeah. You look great. Thank you. Listen. What brings you here? I had to get some air. What about you? Oh, well, same. Oh, that's good. I have nothing important to do. Would you like to catch up? I was actually about to leave. I'm in a hurry. Maybe other time. Oh no, that's totally fine. Maybe another time? Well, bye. See you. Bye.
I met her when my life was falling apart. She changed it. She changed everything. Me and May, we were inseparable. Hardcore inseparable. She was my constant, my best friend, my 911, my one call away, my girlfriend. She was my everything. I was perfect in May's eyes, even though she can't see properly. Her best features is her eyes, even though she hates it. I love her 4 eyes.
Kung sasagutin mo lang ako, paninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buong buo, kahit sa pagtanda ko'y sa'yo.
I have loved May with my whole heart.
Paninindigan kita,
And my teenager heart will be broken if she will hear me say these things in past tense.
kahit ayaw nilang ako'y sa'yo, ika'y ingatan ko.
Our relationship wasn't perfect, but we did try to be best for each other until the tragedy came after the tragedy.
Look what I found. Bantay ra jud niya akong manghod idig makabalo si Papa.
Dad, are you busy?
Of course, I'm always busy, but you're already here, so come in.
Dad, nakita ko si May.
Oh, where?
May kasama siyang babae.
Oh, this is May's friend. Why?
It was that night where everything changed for us, where everything changed for me.
What's going on?
Well, why did you tell us?
About what?
Your girlfriend.
A girlfriend? What are you talking about?
Explain then.
What about it?
I saw you kissing.
No, we didn't.
You didn't.
And where did you even find that?
I saw you.
Okay, fine. I will tell you the truth. The truth that I'm a lesbian. not anymore. Please, Dad.
Is this true? Is this true?
What about it? If it's true.
I'm so disappointed with you, May.
Later that night, May's father got into a heart attack. It was my fault. It was all my fault.
No. What are you doing? I just want to say sorry to people. Look, I appreciate it. Pero, alam mo yung sitwasyon namin. Kaya nga, ipaintindi natin sa kanya yung feelings natin. Hindi mo sila kilala. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung magiging reaction nila. Kasi ito na lang paparate. Bakit mo na lang ba akong ipatago sa kanila? Ano pa gusto mo? Sabihin sa kanila. Mapalaman totoo. Hindi mo naiintindihan eh. Sabihin mo na lang sa kanila na tayo na, nag-date ka. Bakit hindi mo rin maintindihan? Alam mo, mahal kita pero intindihin mo naman ako. Bakit na lang ba kayo magpapalaya sa relasyon na to? Ako na lang paparate? You're so unfair, love. Hindi mo naiintindihan eh. Kahit ngayon lang, bigyan mo ako ng panahon. You know what? I'm so fucking tired of this. Let's just break up. Babe! Babe! Babe, please stop! Ano ba? Let me go! Akala mo lang ba ikaw yung nahihirapan? Nahihirapan din ako! Ikaw naman, nahihirapan sa sitwasyon na to. Hirap na hirap na ako sa pagkakabot ng mga kaibigan mo. Please, hindi ka naman ako! Naiintindihan mo ba ako? Yung nararamdaman ko, naiintindihan mo ba? Pagod na ako maging kaibigan mo sa harap ng pagod mo. Pagod na ako mag-inarte na kaibigan ng tao. Pagod na ako sa lahat. Paligain mo na ako, Krista. Hindi lang ikaw yung hihirap ay ako rin. Yung pamilya ko, harap nila nag-iintindihan. Ako, hihintindi mo. Ang gusto ko na nagatitin mo ako ng panahon at oras. How many years I gave? How many years, Krista? Pero hindi ako ako. Hindi mo sinasabi sa kanila yung totoo. Kung hindi mo ngayon sasabihin, kailan ako maghihintay. Please. Ano mo? Pagod na ako. Siguro hindi na tayo. Kaya natin mo sa isa. Krista, hindi mo ba nakikita yung sitwasyon? Walang hindi gusto sa atin. Kasi ba, hindi nila tayo nakikita. Hindi nila lang natin yun. Mas importante ko, I already accepted. Matagal na. Kung hindi mo sabihin sa kanila yung totoo ko yun, then, bye! Nakakot na ako, Krista.
It was that night when we separated ways. It was the most painful night for me. And I know for Krista too. Kaya ko na nga ba? Kaya ko na nga ba siyang harapin ulit pagkatapos ng 3 taon?
It all came so easy, all the loving you gave me, the feelings we shared. And I still can remember how your touch was so tender, it told me you cared. We had
have loved Krista with my whole heart ever since. She's still my constant, my best friend, my 911, my one call away. But sadly, not my girlfriend anymore. We're not everything for each other anymore.